Welcome to Preset Store. In this video, I will show you how to edit the cinematic filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here is some example of the photo using the filter. Before we get started, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be the first one to get an update from Preset Store. Thank you. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.4. Contrast to -15. Highlight to -60. Shadow to +50. White to -15. Black to +30. Next, go to Curve. Copy the example as shown. Great. Now, go to Color. Temp to +10. Tint to +20. Vibrance to +50. Saturation to -25. Then, go to Color Mix. Red. Hue to +20. Saturation to -30. Luminance to -15. Orange. Saturation to -15. Luminance to -10. Yellow. Hue to -100. Saturation to -30. Luminance to -20. Green. Hue to -30. Saturation to -65. Luminance to +20. Aqua. Hue to -20. Saturation to +30. Luminance to -10. Blue. Hue to -35. Saturation to -30. Luminance to +25. Purple. Hue to -50. Saturation to -70. Luminance to -30. Next, go to Effect. Texture to +25. Dehaze to +40. Vignette to -10 now. Go to Split Tone. For the highlight part, hue to 26 and saturation to 17. For the shadow part, hue to 209 and saturation to 23. And balance to +20. Next, go to Details. Sharpening to +28. Noise reduction to +27. Color noise reduction to +33. Awesome. You have done a great job. Now, copy preset setting and apply to others. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And subscribe this channel for more video in the future.